Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a great looking 1969 Chevy El Camino. This is an SS El Camino, 396 underneath the hood. Good sound and dual exhaust. It's a really cocky looking car with a black vinyl top, the bed cover, SS wheels. .396 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. Looks like it's equipped with factory air conditioning. It's got headers.
The AC works on this one too.
Nice.
And how many big blocks have AC? This has got tilt wheel too.
Really?
So power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, air conditioning, headers, tilt wheel, dual exhaust, dual mirrors. What a great car.
Yeah, really nice looking engine compartment, and the paint on this is a great shine too.
Yeah, really straight body. Undercarriage is excellent on it. Front bumper looks great. We've sold a lot of 70, 71, and 2 El Caminos, but we really haven't had much for 69s. And then to have a big block, super sport bucket seats, air conditioning, and red on top of it. I love the black vinyl top as well.
I do too.
It's riding on a nice set of SS wheels, BFG raised white letter tires. And as Dalton mentioned, just really nice paint, straight body. As we look at the lower fenders, rocker, door, all that looks great. Bottom of the door matches really nicely here to the quarter panel. Tiny little chip right there. Dog leg's nice. As far as the vinyl top, excellent shape. And when you look at these vinyl tops, you want to make sure there's no bubbles or anything like that. As I always comment, this is in great shape here. Vinyl tops all been treated. The back window's nice.
And then even the door jamb paint, just as nice of a shine as the exterior paint. You can tell it looks like they took stuff apart when they painted it and did it right.
Now, as you know, in 1969, you really can't tell on these Chevelles if they're a real super sport. They don't decode that in the VIN. But this has got everything: the SS hood, steering wheel, door panels, SS on the dash. I mean, everything to me appears that this is an original SS car. Headliner is in great shape. Rear view mirror is nice as well.
And then it's got a heck of a sound system that somebody installed with subs and amp behind them seats.
Holy smokes. Big Rockford Fosgate amp, subs, 10 disc CD changer. Wow. This thing thumps, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got a pretty expensive sound system. So does the Nova that we're going to check out next.
As far as the interior and stuff goes, like you said, the paint on the door jambs is just as nice as the paint on the outside of the car. I don't know if we'll be able to get this all the way in here, but the tonneau cover is nice and tight. But I just wanted to show you guys, I'll just go like this. Look how nice the inside of the box is. It's painted like that. It's rhino line, then painted body color. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see the rest of the photos of it on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Some of this trim right here, it's got a few little pits and some micro scratches in it. Trim around the tail lights is original, but the back bumper is brand new as well. That's really nice. As we look up and down the driver's side, nice straight paint. Same thing right here. That's the original marker light. Not bad for original though. It's got a paint chip right here in the gas lid door. Over the wheel well is great. In front of the wheels, awesome. Bottom of the door, rockers all solid, fender's nice. Again, vinyl tops in excellent shape all the way along here.
Door jamb paint, just as the other side. Finished very nicely. The rubbers are nice and pliable.
The door panels are great as well, aren't they? Just super nice. I love the tilt wheel. It's got a cruise stock on it, but it does not, cruise does not work. One thing a guy can do to make it just a little nicer, we never did this when it came in, but just that little $80 chrome that goes around the seats would really spruce that up. If I would have seen that ahead of detail, I would have made sure they did that.
Well, like you said, headliner, perfect.
Yeah, the dome light in the back works
nice.
too. Rearview mirror's nice and tight. It does have a little crack on this original Super Sport wheel, but what I like is the original wheel. You know what I mean? It's not a replacement one. Yeah. You can see it has a couple little tiny hairline cracks here and just one in the wheel. So yeah, I really think it's a real deal.
I think so too.
Before we get started, should we just kind of see what we got for this radio deal? I don't know. Have to put a CD in and try it, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like that's how you switch it though. Definitely have volume. Gas gauge works. I like what they did here too. I mean, it didn't clog up under here. It's kind of neat. It's got tons of oil pressure in this 396. 70 pounds oil pressure at an idle, and it's already kind of warmed up to about 135. So oil pressure goes right over 80. So great oil pressure for a big block.
Horn works.
Yep, wipers work as well. AC kicks right in. Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's funny that we might actually need that in February.
Let's use it.
71 degrees out.
Roll up the window and use it. It's ice cold, ain't it?
Yeah, it works good.
That's why they have the idle turned up probably just a little bit too for that air conditioning, but you could probably definitely turn it down. Yeah, works great. This is a nice car, beautiful paint. Super comfortable too.
Yeah, it is.
A lot of leg room.
Bucket seats.
Even for a bigger guy, look at all the room here if you have that tilt up. Check that out.
Nice.
Too bad we couldn't get that stereo figured out. That'd be pretty damn cool.
I know. I'm guessing one of the boys in the back that spent a little more time with it probably know.
We'll let it figured out.
I just don't know where the source selector is.
Yeah. Well, we're not gonna mess with it. Park indicator and stuff works here too, which is really nice because so many times they're on a little old wire and they break, you know?
Yeah.
Speedometer works great.
We drove this together when it first came in and we were pretty impressed with it.
Well, look at the steering wheel. It's perfectly straight. The brakes don't pull left or right. Got a really nice full pedal. Look at that.
Yeah.
Especially with the big block, a lot of times they put a little bigger cam in them. They're hard to get the good vacuum for those boosters, but holy smokes. It needs, and this is the same thing, it needs just to warmed up a little more, but that tranny's awesome.
Yeah, it did. Nice
Kick down works good. That's 70 right now. I'm guessing our speedometer might be off a little bit. It says we're doing 75. No bouncing or anything, it's nice and tight there. But it feels like it's off about 5 or 6 ahead.
Yeah.
I don't think we're quite doing 75. But this front suspension, Dalton, is absolutely excellent. Temperature gauge is running 180 right now. Oil pressure is right at 70 pounds. Look at this going down the road.
Yeah, it handles really nice.
Have to stop in a hurry. Brakes are perfect, no pull left or right. The steering is just super smooth. I mean, this is a quality driver, Dalton. You can take this to any local car show and be super proud of it. Ice cold air. And all this power for this big block is with the air conditioning pulling ice cold, you know?
It's got a little shift kit or something.
It does. It's got a little shift kit. And again, it's just going to run better and better as it warms up. But that's, somebody's definitely spent some money on the suspension. It is tight.
Yeah, it's a good car. Check this El Camino out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.